line? 5.
Well, it's
4.
he would.
Anybody in the group can help her out.
His duties.
Okay, the president can stop being president if the president does what? 5.
What do you mean?
What does the president have to do in order to give up the office?
Just give
4.
him
What's that, Giselle?
Give the power over to the VP.
How? 3. 2. Because of an injury. -5.
Can I answer?
Go ahead, Beyond.
Thank you. So, the president can give over or step down to the VP and give notice to the Speaker of the House.
Speaker of the House.
Yes.
And
Damn.
And he submits a written declaration.
to the Speaker of the House and
Cabinet.
Senate, temperate,
President Pro Tem of the Senate. The president submits a written letter to the leadership of the House, leadership of the Senate, and what does this letter say?
That I can't do my job at this
I
current
can't do
moment.
my job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the president submits this, then who becomes president?
The vice president.
And when can the president get the office back?
When he submits another letter saying, hey, I'm able to work again, and then he gets his job back.
And what does Section 4 say?
Section 4 is pretty much when the vice president and his cabinet members submit a letter to the House of Representatives and that same person I can't pronounce. saying
Vice
that-
President and a majority of the cabinet submit a letter to the leadership of the House, leadership of the Senate saying,
that the president can't do his job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
For example, if he's doing drugs or whatnot, and so the vice president then acts as the president.
When can the president get that back?
When the vice president and his cabinet members, majority of his cabinet members believe that he's able
The
to
president cannot get it back on his own, but the president can in Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead, click it. Okay, and if you'll touch the House, I think we've gone over these 4 things. Pick me a category.
executive for.
Executive for 4.
Pictionary!
Finally, our last Pictionary. Which one of y'all is going to come up and draw?
Nancy, make us proud.
Okay, could you hit the light over there? That's what I need you to draw. Got it? Yeah, that.
Yeah.
1 minute on the 6. Go ahead. That's what we're doing. Got it?
Oh God.
Okay. Go ahead.
Why, Sunbird? Why?
Oh, that's not bad.
Thanks. It's horrible.
That's not bad.
No, it's pretty
It's
horrible.
like cosmetics.
Oh my God. French fry?
No.
That's not a French fry?
No, close.
Makeup,
Yeah.
lipstick.
It is makeup. What was the significance of makeup from the presidency chapter?
Oh, Richard Nixon versus Kennedy in the first televised debate.
Richard Nixon did what?
He said that he wouldn't wear makeup because he thought that like it might make him look gay.
When?
When
during the first
during
televised
the
presidential
The
debate.
first televised presidential debate, which was in 1960. What were the mistakes that Nixon made?
He wore a dark suit that camouflaged against the backdrop.
Dark suit that blended in with the background.
So he was pale and sick.
He was
so-
pale and sick because he had recently gotten out of the hospital and he did not wear the makeup, anything else. The most important thing.
he didn't look in the camera.
He didn't look at the camera. Who did he look at?
He looked at the
Moderator.
He looked at the moderator. What did Kennedy do in the debate? How did you contrast this?
Well, Kennedy looked healthy and tanned, and he looked at.
He had just gotten back from California.
Yeah, and so his suit, you could tell the difference. He didn't blend
Suit
in.
did not blend in as much.
And he looked at.
Looked at the camera. The people that listened on the radio versus the people that watched on
Radio
TV.
said that Nixon won. People on TV said Kennedy won.
And Kennedy won on TV because of kind of the substance or the style. Why would somebody win on radio?
Because of their ideas.
Because their ideas were better. Nixon always felt cheated. Go ahead and touch chapter number 5 down there for judiciary. Number 5 for judiciary, I think, would have been the last Pictionary, and that actually would have been cell phone from the article that we dealt with on Wednesday. The beach, the bar, the pictures, the unreasonable search and seizure. Go ahead and click that. And if you'll go over to chapter questions really quick, 2-pointer. How often do Supreme Court justices change their mind? Click it. Believe it or not, between the initial vote in conference and the announcement of the decision, at least one vote changes 50% of the time. Go ahead and click it one more time, and then chapter questions for 5. This actually would have been dual because it dealt with the 12th Amendment. The 12th Amendment is a chapter question this time, which requires the president and the vice president to run together. Make sure that you're comfortable with those. Looks like Beyond's group, if y'all will write plus 13 and sign your names to a paper. Giselle's group 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. If y'all will write plus 11 and sign your names to a paper. William's group, if y'all will write plus 9 and sign your names to a paper, even though all of you did not answer. And Bobby's group, if y'all will sign plus 7 and write your names on a paper. And do this fast. Henry, if you'll stop filming.